have enough energy.
American breakfast. Hotel breakfast can include most or all of the following. Eggs, bacon, correct? Yes. Bacon, and then you have your pancake. Okay, go. Sliced bacon or toast, sliced bread or toast with sausage or butter, pancake or cereal, corn sticks or other cereal, coffee or tea, orange, rich fruit.
So as far as the United States is concerned, a typical American breakfast is would comprise of hot fuel foods or home. What do you mean by these hot fuel foods? These are foods that is high in carbohydrates, vitamins, and mineral contents. Based on our research, we found that North America and South America have different set of breakfasts. So in the North America, breakfast would comprise eggs. A breakfast could also have a meat, breakfast meat like ham or bacon, and potato like hash brown and fries, baked foods like muffins, and fruit, coffee, or orange juice. So why is it that we prepare orange juice instead of coffee? Because based on what I've read, it is said that orange juice is consumed more than coffee. Bakit ang boses ko?
Based on your research.
Yes, ma'am. Bakit ang boses ko? Nag-cheer sa iyo. In South America naman po, the breakfast is commonly prepared lighter than than North America, which is commonly sandwich, langkor, and coffee and juice. Why is it that we prepared pancake? It is because in the United States, pancakes is one of the foods that they prepare in their breakfast. So first pancakes are believed to be in by ancient Romans. It is first adapted by the French from China and Nepal by Crusaders in 12th century. The Americans took the recipe from them and began preparing them. And yun nga, pwede mo silang lagyan ng sweets or based dun sa kamunod namin, merong add, pwede mo siyang i-add. So we will now explain how these foods are called to be or being said that this is balanced breakfast.
Our breakfast is which is white potatoes, bacon, and egg.
Not bacon, she just used the term bacon. Without eggs.
Orange juice and mixed so
Say balance. What's the characteristic of bacon? What do you mean? What part of an animal can obtain bacon? That can be obtained where? That is obtained where? At the belly part of the pork. Kaya lang ito say different. It is a bacon coming from the fish. Basically, the texture of the meat is different. Diba? Okay, that is a little bit thicker as compared to pork. Okay, what's the characteristic of bacon? Why is it that you said that that is a very healthy product? Yeah, that is protein. Correct, that is protein food group. It builds and repair our muscles and tissues. But do you think that is healthy? The bacon. What's the characteristic of the bacon? That is very high in fat content. But basically, the Americans really love eating bacon. Okay, so that's we cannot blame them because that is their culture. Okay, so you could prepare a bacon provided that you will select a bacon that has a low fat Okay? And then, of course, if that is bacon, it is rich with salt and other seasonings. Okay, that is why that is classified as not as healthy as the other protein food group. But that is an American food group. And thank you. You created something. Okay, you have your fruits there. Okay. Thank you for the